Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the April BeautyFix by Dermstore box. If you are not familiar with BeautyFix by Dermstore, Dermstore is a website that you can order different skincare and I think sometimes makeup products through, but mainly skincare, hence the name Dermstore. So they do have a monthly subscription box called BeautyFix. This is going to be $24.95 a month if you get it 1 month at a time and pay as you go. If you do pay up front, it'll cost you a little bit less, and you can do month at a time, 3 months or 6 months at a time. And the more you do at a time, and if you pay, the more you do at a time, it's cheaper. And the more you do at a time and pay up front, it's cheaper. So you can do a 6-month subscription, but they bill you every month, versus a 6-month subscription and you pay up front, or a 3-month subscription. I do the 3-month subscription, and when you do that, it's a little bit cheaper than the $24.95 a month. I had to check. Before we get into our BeautyFix box, if you haven't yet, I'd love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. Hit like if you enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. Let's see what's inside. Last month was mostly samples. I did find that some of the products I thought were trial sizes were actually full size. With BeautyFix, it's a little hit and miss whether you're going to get more deluxe samples or a few more full-size products. It should have a $100 value for the box, so occasionally I feel like it comes short, but it did have, I have no idea what's in here. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so this is a good looking box so far. So this one does look like it has more full size. As we go through the video, I'll post in the corner if it's full size, what the value is, and all that good stuff. But we have 5 products in here, and you should always get, I feel like I'm looking at my notes. I feel like you should always get 5 products at least in here. So I'm going to start with what I think is the smallest one. And this is Love and Eye Bright from One Love Organics. And this is an eye serum. It's a really pretty matte pink box. And we have, I'm betting this is a roll-on. It is. We have a roll-on applicator. It is a really liquidy serum, so it's a water texture. And this says Love and Eye Bright Eye Serum. And what this will do for us, this says for radiant and bright eyes, and I can't read the information on there very well. It doesn't have any like key ingredients that it's highlighting. So this is the Love and Eye Bright Eye Serum, and this I'm sure is going to be a full size, but I'll put the information for it here in the corner and what its value is as well. Our next one is also a small one. This is from Jane Iredale. The last thing I got from Jane Iredale was a lip gloss, which I almost actually just put on and didn't realize this was in it, but it's the wrong color for the shirt. But it's a really pretty lip gloss, and this one is going to be a blush stick. And this is Glorious. And this is the Glow Time Blush Stick from Jane Iredale. And let's see if we can get it open. Ooh, that's a really pretty container. There's no indication yet what color we have other than the name. I don't want to open this because I may not use this, but it looks like it's kind of a peachy color. It's really pretty. There's a little bit of a, I don't know what that is over the top, but that it has some kind of filter-ish looking thing over the top, but you can see through the corner that that is the color, is a little bit peachy. So that's a pretty one. Again, I don't know if I'm going to use this one myself, so I hate to crack it open and not be the one that uses it and put it to waste. But this is a really cute blush stick from Jane Iredale. I feel like we may have more full-size products in here than trial sizes. The next one I'm sure is a trial size just because of its small. And this is a retroactive dry shampoo shampooing from Blue. So this one, it has hardly, I mean, I'm sure it's got more in it, but it feels like nothing. It feels like it's empty and almost sounds empty. But this is actually a dry shampoo. It says shampooing, which is different. I mean, I know it's dry shampoo, but it just is a different kind of thing. So let's see. I don't know how to get this off of here. Hold on. The top doesn't come off. Oh, there it goes. Huh. Okay, so we have a pretty blue bottle, and the lid does not want to come off very well, but we do have a dry shampoo from Blue. There we go. My brightness went wonky. I fixed it. So we have a dry shampoo from Blue. The next one we have is from BioFX, and this is gonna, I think this is gonna be a trial size. This is it was made in Iceland. Interesting. BioFX EFG serum, age defying serum, and this one has a little sticker dot on it. I'm gonna open it and see. So I have been hearing a lot about Icelandic beauty. So this might be my first. I can't remember if I've tried another one, but we have a big box for a tiny little squeezy. But there's our tiny little squeezy from our BioFX EFG serum. So this is, I'm guessing, a facial serum because it doesn't say eye. And I'll put the full size here in the corner and what its value would be. But nice little trial. Our last one in here is a big box, and this is from Holly Frog. I don't know, is that Holy Frog or Holly Frog? Somebody leave me comments. Holy or Holly? I'm going to call it Holy Frog, and this is a situational skincare. It says Tashmoo Amina Hydrating Milky Cleanser. So we have a Soothe and Nourish Cleanser, and it says it has 14 amino acid blend water and lily extract. So this is a product. I actually have another product from Holy Frog. Their packaging is really, really pretty. I don't expect anything less. So not super wowy, but it's a really pretty pink lid. The last one was a green, I don't remember, but it was a pretty green bottle with some kind of cream in it. But this is a Tashmoo Amina Hydrating Milky Cleanser. So we have a cleanser from Holy Frog, and that is our box. I feel like we got 3 full size and 2 samples. That's what I'm going to call this until I'm proven otherwise. I'm going to say that these are all 3 full size. Our eye serum, our Jane Iredale blush, and our cleanser, I believe, are all full size. And I believe these are going to be trial sizes, our Iceland serum and our Blue dry shampoo. So that was actually a pretty good box. We'll see what the value is. I'll tally it up and put here in the corner to tell you what our actual official value is, but I would be surprised if we're under $100. I think we made it. I think they did a good box this month. Tell me what your thoughts are on this month's BeautyFix box, and let me know if you'd like me to continue this subscription. It's one that I think this is my last box of my 3-month subscription that I got. I'd be happy to continue it if you guys want to keep watching it. Just leave me some comments below and let me know. But for now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe, hit like, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Have a great one. Bye.